Welcome to WD Electronics. In this installation guide, we're taking you through the Signal Pro turn signal kit and demonstrating how everything works together. The full installation video for your make and model has some parts and connections that may be different from the new Signal Pro system, so we want to show you some of the updates you may need to note while completing your installation. The Signal Pro control module is much more compact than the previous module and has a detachable wiring harness. It will be attached using the two mounting points and either self-tapping screws, nuts and bolts, or zip ties, according to the directions in the written instructions. After mounting the control module, locate the main wiring harness. Connect it to the control module using the mating connectors. Verify they clip together fully. The new WD turn signal lever comes with a vehicle-specific mounting bracket. Attach the turn signal lever to the bracket using the included screws, and mount the bracket to the steering column according to the directions for your specific model. After mounting the bracket, connect the turn signal lever to the main wiring harness using the yellow 4-pin connectors. The front turn signal harness connects to the main wiring harness at the control module using mating 8-pin connectors. This connection will apply to any front lighting style provided with your kit. Each kit comes with a vehicle-specific taillight adapter harness, or harnesses, to control the rear turn signals and brake lights. After routing the long black cable to the rear of your machine, connect the cable to the inline taillight adapters. Refer to the instruction manual for more details on installing the taillight adapters and routing the black cable to the rear of the machine. The horn harness has been upgraded for Signal Pro to include emergency hazard lights in the same rocker switch. Install the rocker switch into your dash in your desired position. Connect the combo horn and hazard harness to the main wiring harness using the mating connectors shown here. Verify they clip together fully. Connect the extension harness to the combo harness using the mating 2-pin connectors. Verify they clip together fully. Mount the horn housing in the recommended location. Refer to your instructions for more specific directions. Route the other end with the two spade terminals to the horn housing and connect them in either direction. These connections are reversible. Most machines have integrated arrows in the instrument cluster. Each turn signal kit comes with a dash indicator harness specific to the instrument cluster. For models that don't have integrated arrows, we provide LEDs that can be drilled into the dash. For detailed steps, refer to your instruction manual for your machine. Once you've connected to the instrument cluster or installed the LEDs, connect the dash indicator harness to the main harness at the control module using the mating 4-pin connectors. Verify the connectors click into place. Each kit comes with an LED license plate frame. You will need to trim your license plate to give clearance for the LED wires. Mount the included bracket to your machine, referring to the instructions. Once your license plate is installed, connect the power cable to your taillight adapters using the mating 2-pin connectors. Verify they clip together fully. Route the other end of the cable to the LED frame. Connect the bullet terminals red to red and black to black, and verify the plastic insulation fully covers the connections. Every kit comes with a vehicle-specific power cable. Connect the power cable to the main wiring harness using the mating 2-pin connectors. Refer to your instruction manual for more details on installing the power cable on your machine. Once you've completed this final step of the installation, it's time to test out your lights. We hope this video helped you better understand the Signal Pro turn signal system. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out for installation support. For contact information, please visit wdelectronics.com.